Grabe naman. Parang hindi ko kaya to, 60 million. It's been a long day. Long day. Without you, my friend. Meron kang pinapahanap sa akin ng watch before.
Yes.
Medyo pandiinan yun, guys. It's more than 5 million pesos.
I'm selling the car which is a product for 5 million.
Pag in-rate natin to, magkano lang i-add ko? What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Pare, punta tayo. Bumili muna tayo sa Subway. Isang footlong ng wheat bread, steak and cheese, all veggies, tapos more on olives tsaka jalapeno. Tapos yung dressing is red wine vinegar tsaka olive oil and ranch. Kasama natin Patrick 69 tsaka Patrick Zero. Kita mo na kung bakit ha. Alam nyo na yan. Pupunta ngayon si Gio Wetebo, yung may Ferrari. So he wants to trade some of his watches daw kasi parating yung birthday ng girlfriend niya. So regaluhan siguro niya. Kaya puntahan natin, may pag-negotiate tayo. Sana makuha natin ng maayos yung mga relo niya. Pero kain muna. Pare, kamusta? How are you? How's everything? Oy, may kasama nga boss ko ka. Kamusta brother? You're here? Kasi
Meron tayong mahalagang mission